Looking for great squishy toys for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, 6 pieces, Squeeze Cream Scented Toys. Slow Rising Toys. It is slow rising and smells like a sweet creamy taste. Colors: yellow lemon, yellow pineapple, pink peach, red strawberry, yellow banana, red watermelon, by OPount. Number 2, Best Value for Money. Package included 16 pieces mini animal squishies with one big storage bag, by Outee. Number 3, this squishy toy is designed with cute animal shape. You can use it for fidget toy, bag decoration, gift, by Acetek. These toys can be great as Christmas gift ideas. Click this link below for more.